Alright, this is to document that I actually got this thing to work now. This is my LG laptop, the one that had crashed, and I had to send it back to LG to get it fixed. The motherboard was bad. But as you can see on the screen here, I am running the lecture slides from PowerPoint on the left-hand side. And then on the right-hand side over here, I'm running a Lonely Screen AirPlay receiver, which is mirroring essentially what I'm doing here on the iPad. And so I can have the display show the PowerPoint presentation and the iPad screen as I draw on the surface here. For example, if I draw here, it shows up on the screen over here. At least it's supposed to. There it is. Okay, a little bit of delay there, I guess. But the cool thing I just figured out is that there is an app that I downloaded. I'm able to extend the screen out. So here's the main screen here. I'm using an older iPad over here as a secondary screen for this. Generally speaking, when you run Zoom, you have the participants, the pictures of the participants. You also have the chat and the list of all the participants kind of in the same frame here, kind of overlapping with all the other stuff that's on the screen. And it tends to be a clutter, and when you're trying to move things around on here, from the student's perspective, you're just moving the cursor around randomly. They don't see all this extraneous stuff on the screen over here, so they're wondering what the heck you're doing. And so I found a way to move all the Zoom stuff over to the iPad so I can see it over here. This reduces the clutter from the screen here that I'm sharing, so I can show the students the PowerPoint and the display without a whole lot of clutter. And if there's any questions that come up from the students, I can see them over here. Now I don't have to go through and look for buried treasure underneath all the windows that are open. So I just wanted to share that with you. The app itself, let me see if I can find the name of the app. The name of the app is called SplashTop Wired X Display Agent. This works with PCs, with iPads, or PCs with laptops. With tablets. All right. So in either case, the configuration works. You do have to connect it using a USB cable to your tablet or iPad, and so there is that drawback. But it seems to be working. There may be a little bit of delay going on here because I'm sort of like crunching everything here. But for the moment, it seems to be working. I may not be doing this all the time, but for the moment, it seems to be fairly stable, right? And so I just wanted to share this with you as a possible option. The PowerPoint slides here seem to be working pretty nicely. There may be a slight hiccup here in terms of how long it takes for... Nope, it's pretty good. Seems to follow through pretty quickly here. So anyways, I just wanted to share this with you.